Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 2 Part 4. Questions number 46 to 57. Let's begin. Number 46. Anne is blank wife. A. John's. B. John is. C. John's is. D. John. (47) This is not just my computer. It is for blank computer. A. Students. B. Students S. C. Students. D. Student. (48) What is blank? She is a bank manager. A. His job. B. She job. C. He job. D. Her job. (49) How old is your brother? Blank, 29. A. They are. B. I am. C. It is. D. He is. (50) How old, blank, Mr. and Mrs. White? Blank, 50 and 48. A. Is, they. B. Are, there. C. Are, they. D. Am, they are. (51) How old, blank, Andrew? Blank, 21 years old. A. Are you, I'm. B. Is he, he's. C. Is, he is. D. I. (52) Blank, you now. I'm at the school. A. Where's? B. Where are? C. Where? D. Where? (53) Where, blank, now? In her office. A. Is he? B. Is she? C. Is it? D. Is. (54) Blank, is his father's job. He's a teacher. A. Who? B. When? C. Why? D. What? (55) This is those, blank, toy. A. Kids. B. Kid. C. Kids S. D. Kids. (56) They are not my blank books. A. Children's. B. Child's. C. Children. D. Children of. (57) They're not his blank mistakes. A. Friends. B. Friend. C. Friends. D. Friends S.